Hello everyone, I'm Syifa Putri Andini. I'm studying at UBSI, which is Bina Sarana Informatika University. My class is 641C07 and my student ID is 642515778. I'm just getting through university life, trying to learn a lot and hoping to have a good semester. So let's chat about something that's always happening on campus. Right now, I am seeing a lot of students and even some lecturers are taking a quick smoke break outside the main hall. It makes me wonder what the general feeling about smoking on campus areas is. Honestly, the university is always trying to implement smoke-free zone, but the reality is looking a bit different on the ground. I get that people have the right to smoke, but here's where I am disagreeing a bit. Secondhand smoke. When I am walking past the cafe or the library entrance, a lot of people are puffing away right there. It feels like they are forgetting that not everyone is enjoying inhaling a cigarette smoke. Non-smokers like me are constantly finding ourselves holding our breath or quickly changing our path just to avoid it. That air in these common areas is becoming really unpleasant, especially during busy hours. It's affecting the overall atmosphere on the campus. So, what are we doing about it? I think the campus management is working on stricter enforcement. Maybe they are not providing enough designated smoking spots that are actually far away from the main walkways and buildings. If smokers are getting a comfortable and permitted area, perhaps they are going to stop breaking the current rules. Everyone is looking for a good solution, but for now it seems like the problem is just getting bigger and a lot of us are getting frustrated. What are you thinking about all this? So here I will present about the question words. First of all, I wanna introduce myself. My name is Syifa Putri Andini with student ID 642515778. The first, what are question words? Asking question is the core of human communication and learning. If we want to move beyond simple statement and truly interact, we need these specific words. We rely on 6 essential words to transform a simple statement into an integrated sentence. These are the famous 5 W's and 1 H. Example is who, what, where, when, why, and how. Let's start with who. Who is used specifically to ask about a person or people. Think of it as your tool for identifying the subject or object of an action. For example, number 1 is who is your best friend? Who wrote this book? Who's coming to the party? Moving on to location, we use where. This word helps you find the physical position of someone or something. If you need a map, you need to use where. Example is where do you live? Where are you going? Where did you put my keys? The concept of time is covered by when. Use when to ask about specific time, day, time, day, date, or moment an event happens. For example is when is your birthday? When does the movie start? When will you arrive? Why is used to ask for the reason or explanation behind something. The answer to a why question almost always starts with the word because. For example, why are you late? Why did you choose this college? Why do you need to study? Which is used when you are asking someone to make a choice from a specific limited set of options. For example, which way is the library? Which color do you prefer? Which book should I read first? How used to ask about manner, method, or degree. For example, how do you make pancakes? How are you feeling? How long will it take? Whose used to ask about possession. For example, whose book is this? Whose book is this? Whose turn is it? Whose car are you driving? Question word combination. Common combination with how. How many, how much, how long, how far, how often, and how old. And next, common mistakes to avoid. Number 1, forgetting the auxiliary verb. If incorrect, where you live, So the correct is where do you live? And number 2, wrong word order. If incorrect, where lives your brother? So the correct is where does your brother live? And next, practice example. I will complete these questions. Number 1 is what is your name? Where are you going? What time is it? Why did you do that? Which pencil do you want? And tips for using question words. Number 1 is consider the type of information you need. Number 2, choose the appropriate question words. Number 3, remember proper word order. And number 4, use correct auxiliary verb. And the end, number 5 is practice regularly. Key takeaways. Use the ask about possession examples. Number 1, question words are essential for communication. Number 2, each word serves a specific purpose. Number 3, proper structure is important. Number 4, regular practice improves fluency. And number 5, understanding context helps choose the right question word. Practice and progress. Remember, start simple, practice regularly, listen to native speakers, don't be afraid to make mistakes, keep learning and improving. To summarize mastering the 5 W's and 1 H, they are the tools that allow you to gather information, clarify misunderstanding, and participate fully in conversation. Thank you very much for your attention. I hope this presentation was clear and helpful.